Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I will be starting off with the combo counters. Okay. So in Arkham series, we have the combo that builds up after each successful hit and or attack, and it resets if you do not hit within a specific time or get hit. Okay. So we'll be doing that system today. So let's get started. So we will make a new function that would be our combo, and obviously like I'll have the base in C++. Just the function itself, all logic will be in blueprints. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy paste this macro and type in void combo counter, and I'll have another one, and this one will be reset combo counter. Okay, so two functions. I'll go ahead and close this, then recompile. So I'll just go ahead and recompile this. So once it has loaded in, I will just override the function that says combo counter and reset combo counter. Okay, so these two functions. So in combo counter, also even before I have the combo counter and increase or decrease this combos, right, I need to actually go ahead and create a UI first. Okay, that will be showed into the screen. So let's go ahead to blueprints. I'll create a new folder over here. I'll call this UI and right click, user interface widget blueprint, and go ahead with the user widget, and I'll call this UI underscore player HUD. Now this player HUD, I want it to be accessible from a class that is called the HUD class. Okay, and I will rename it HUD over here, but obviously again I'll create the base in C++. So in all classes, search for the HUD. We need this one. Go ahead and I'll call this ffcs underscore HUD base, and this will be under HUD. Okay, so create the class and let it load. Okay, once it's done, I will close the blueprints. Once it is done, I will close the editor, and now in the C++ class over here, so remove the HUD. Over here, I'll make a new function. I'll call this, I'll have this as blueprint implementable event, blueprint callable, and category would be HUD. Okay, HUD. Let's go ahead and run this one. Right. By default, C++ classes are private until and unless specified to be public or protected. So there we go. We have it in public. And again, I forgot to give the braces for the function. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the HUD class. So blueprint class, search for ffcs HUD base, and we'll call this bp HUD. Main. Now we'll override the function setup HUD, and we'll call this over here. Over here we'll create widget, and we just made this HUD over here UI player HUD, so we just gonna add that and add to viewport. So we are done, and in the UI player HUD we are gonna add a canvas panel, and right now I'm just gonna add a rich text block over here. And let's say it says x1. Now you'll see it is somewhat like this, so it's not loading up the font. So what we need to do is this has to be x1. That's fine. Style set, let's go ahead and make a data table. Okay, so let's go ahead. Data, I will call it gt underscore fonts and save, and this one will be rich text style row. Press OK. Open this one up, add new, and over here you can set the fonts over here. Font family, go with Roboto. Regular size, this is fine, so I'll save. And Roboto, and compile, and now you can see it says x1, which is what we want over here. Okay, so over here, let's see. Okay, what is the placement of it? Okay, over here, justification to the middle. Okay, seems about right. So let's see how it looks. Make sure to go to world settings and change this HUD class to pp HUD main. Now if you play, you can see over there it says x1. You can actually increase the size of it, so let me just do that, and also change the color. To be about 50-ish. Probably have it over here instead. Yeah, this seems about right. I mean, you can play with it however you want, but I think this is good enough for me. So now how the combat counter should add up is we need to go to the enemy component. Okay, enemy component. Actually, let's see, what do we have? We also have the and in notify hit enemy. Yeah, we can actually add it over here, combo counter, right, on the hit itself. Now this one will reset when the player gets hit, so hit montage over here. We want to reset combo counter over here. Okay, so let's go ahead with the combo counter. So again, I'll close this editor over here, Unreal Editor. Okay, so let's go to the FFCC base, and all of these are functions. Actually, they can be here as is, and over here I will set you property, edit anywhere, blueprint, read write, category would be counter, sorry, not counter, combo itself. So now this one will be integer, because yeah, these would be whole numbers, so integer counter. I want e property again, same thing, I would say. Now this should be timer handle, f timer handle, combo counter underscore timer handle. Okay, so go ahead and run. Okay, now since it has loaded in, I can go to the FFCC, type in counter, get counter. I'll increment this and then set timer by event, function name. Okay, and now this one will be reset combo counter. Okay, actually set timer by event, and I'll create the event, and this one will be combo reset combo counter. So let's say after 2 seconds I want it to be reset, and combo counter timer handle. Okay, I want to clear and invalidate if it is valid first, and then set it again. Okay, so over here I want the counter to be 0, and I want this to actually update, but I don't want to update this at tick, so I'll create a custom event, set counter value, and I want to set text. I want this to be integer value, and I want it like this. So there we go. And in the FFCC, I want to get HUD. Actually, where is begin play? Get owner, get in the begin play over here. Let's add a sequence. Get controller. Wait, where is it? Oh, get player controller. Get HUD. Okay. Then I can cast to BP main HUD, and then I can actually save reference. HUD reference. Okay. Actually, what I'll do, I'll not save the HUD reference over here because I'm not saving anything over there. I'll go ahead and create a HUD reference here, and this one will be BP main HUD. And again, I want to have a getter and setter. Get HUD and set HUD. Okay. HUD reference. And then we have the get HUD and return node, and there we go. This can be a pure function, and in the we'll get the FFCC. Get set HUD. And again, on the combo over here, as soon as we increment it, we want to get the HUD reference and set this is the HUD reference, and from the HUD we do not actually have a variable saved for this. We'll promote to variable, and UI player HUD reference. UI player HUD reference, and from here set counter value. I will be over here, and on reset it will be something like this, compile. So I'll remove the timer for now, just to check if the hit works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yeah, on hit, reset. Okay, fine, it's working. So probably want to have it as 4 seconds maybe. Okay, and what else in the set value over here? I want the X to be there, so and obviously start from 0 and custom event, set counter visibility, and I will set visibility function, put it like this. So now in the FFCC, set visibility to visible, and sorry, okay, set counter visibility, right? I want another input, and this one will be delay. This is float. So set timer by event. Now visibility, visible. Now this delay would be here, and let me see if there's an issue over here. So could be, could not be. So set counter visibility, so 0 second visible. Okay, and right, also I need to have a timer handle, visibility timer handle. Okay, and this will clear and invalidate whenever it's called. Okay, visible and set the visibility after 2 seconds. Let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead. And obviously, at first, I want it to be. Okay, wait. This one has to be, yeah, collapse. And obviously, the first time round, it has to be collapsed. Yeah. So let's go ahead and test it. I hit. Yeah. So obviously, like, if you want it to be visible, you'll have to add in at least a 0.1 delay. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 0. And then there's, okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it doesn't actually get hidden. So there you go. Okay, seems to be working. So that's it, guys, for this lecture. And as always, if you want to support me and the work that I'm doing, you can subscribe to my Patreon. It starts from just $1 a month. Okay, and also there are different tiers based on the needs of different people. Okay, so do check it out once. Thank you.